I'm here with my family, our daughter Michelle, and our grandson Henry. And what better side dish than my broccoli and rice pilaf? Today we're gonna fix a meal, y'all, that's really good for Henry and good for our daughter Michelle because she's got us another boy in here. So Michelle, I'm gonna start us off with a broccoli rice pilaf. I think Henry will like that.
I think he will too.
So if you'll come over here and just kind of rough chop that broccoli, and Papa,
You mean cut onions up?
I would love for you to cut the onions. I'm gonna put a little butter in our pan because we're gonna saute these onions.
I'm gonna bring Henry to Daniel.
Okay. Daniel! Daniel is our son-in-law, y'all. Michelle did a great job picking him out. I guess you picked him out, didn't you? Or did he pick you out? What happened?
I picked him out.
You picked him out. Well, you did a good day's work, honey. We're proud to call him son-in-law. I'm gonna brown these onions when your dad gets those ready. And Michelle, after this gets transparent, honey, we're gonna just throw that in, saute that off. Michelle, I think we're ready for that broccoli now. All right, how's this pot coming, Papa?
Perfect.
So let's go ahead and add our rice, 1.5 cups of rice, Michael. And because this is a pilaf, we're gonna kind of let it brown just for a second. And we're gonna use 3 cups of the chicken broth, Papa.
Uh-huh.
You gave the kids a pretty hard time, didn't you, Michael, when Michelle and Daniel were first courting?
Well, kind of, but dads do that. Dads have to do that.
Absolutely.
That's dad's jobs to do that.
Now, what about your take on it, Michelle?
Looking back on it, I understand all of it now that I have a child. I don't think I'll trust Henry's when he brings home his first girl either.
I love it. And we're gonna salt and pepper this. Let's let that come back to a boil. And then we're gonna turn it down on a simmer, put the lid on and let it cook, okay? Y'all, he has found the measuring spoon that his mother measured the brown sugar with. He is happy. Here at Michelle, let's start fixing our plates, because that baby is hungry.
Y'all remember when Henry first started eating and he'd see you and he'd say, when he first saw you?
I knew who had the goods.
Try the broccoli.
Here, Mikey. You want to taste something delicious? How did we all get so fat around here? It's so hard to get to eat a meal. How did this happen?
Yummy. Michelle, did you try the meat?
It's delicious.
Well, listen, y'all eat up, because I know it's time for Henry's nap.
Can you say bye-bye, Henry? Say bye-bye.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.